Hello and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. Haven't made one for the last few days because Doge was stuck in resistance. Basically nothing happened since my last video and we got rejected there. So it's currently following here the bearish wave count that I had on the chart. Again, this was a 3-wave rally. Yeah, and then we had a possible impulse down, here possible ABC up, and we got to the golden ratio at 9.5 cents, mini resistance, and this was a useful or suitable short trade setup, and we could now be in the third wave to the downside. It's certainly quite an impulsive sell-off, and target for that third wave, I mean, it's a bit hard with these targets, especially if we talk about oh no, it's not, it's fine, it's in a third wave it would be. So ideally, I mean, hard to believe, but it could take it to 5.5 cents. But bear in mind that this would be the third of a third. So it should rally quite a lot. Well, not rally, but rally to the downside, yeah, break down. I have a hard time to believe that really. So I'm sure this count will morph a lot. What would happen if I'm wrong? What would be the alternative? You know, if I'm wrong about this, what would be the alternative count? Well, an alternative count would look at this here, yes, probably as an ABC structure to the upside, but as a wave 1. Basically a wave 1 of a larger diagonal pattern. And then this here could be a wave 1. We could now be doing an ABC structure down in a wave 2, rally higher in 3 waves in a third wave, and do something like this. I can give you a support area, but I will not leave it on the chart because it is unreliable. But nevertheless, if this is the case, then Dogecoin, well, if it maintains this possible 1-2 setup, that would be the bullish perspective, but a completely unreliable one. But it can work out, you know. But what would be the pivot for that? The pivot would be 7.1 cent. So the 78.6 retrace, as long as it's holding that, it could, in an unlikely structure, still rally. Yeah, below that, you know, the yellow count is strongly being favored. It's anyway already the primary count, but of course it can still morph into other counts. But generally, I mean, the idea that it has a good chance to make another bear market low is currently still preferred here, because any rally really was in 3 waves. So I highlighted in the last video that if we get above 10 cents, we've got this whole resistance area to get through. And it can always reset wave 2 higher. So what is of course possible, yeah, what is of course possible, and that, as I said, it could be, and that would be the bullish perspective, a 1-2 setup and go higher, but it could also be that this here is just an A wave, the move down now in a B wave, and then a rally in 5 waves in a C wave. And it could still be the bearish wave 2 before we come down lower. And that's why this resistance area is so meaningful. And but then this this support area that I just showed you would be relevant for that B wave drop as well. So to keep it simple, we are going to enter support here shortly between 8.4 cents, but it doesn't look like it will stop there. I'd rather be looking at the lower end of support, around about 7 cents, 7.1. And if it does that and turns around here impulsively, then we could get a larger wave 2, circle wave 2. But besides, at the moment, you know, we can follow this and see how we react to the support area. And if we then get a bounce, break above the 10.5 cent level, this 5th of April high, I would first look at it as a reset of large wave 2. All right, that's my update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.